What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy, e-commerce, and personal success. In this video, we're going to talk about SEO strategy on Etsy and also why it's super important to have an SEO tool or SEO software, whether it be eRank or Marmalade. In this video, I'm going to show you examples of why this is important with Marmalade, but this concept can also be applied to eRank if that's what you already use. If you don't already use either one, I highly recommend Marmalade, and you can get it through the affiliate link in my description. So let's get started. So why it's important to have SEO tools and SEO software? Because let me just show you this. So I'm going to first show you some examples with very high demand keywords. For example, the slime on Etsy. Everybody's all about the slime. I don't know what people do with this. I don't know why people like it, but that's not the subject of this video. So when you type stuff in here, slime, Etsy always gives you these recommendations, right? And a lot of the times, if you do not have an SEO software or tool, you can see these and you can see these as recommendations, or you can see these as, hey, I should definitely use these. And that can be the case, and it also can be a kiss of death for you. So first, let me show you that it can be a good thing here in Marmalade. So slime, I'm going to take cloud slime and a few others. I already have done that in the comparison section. So here is slime, massive keyword, searched 363,000 times per month and engaged with even more than that. Yes, there's a lot of competition, but as you guys know, you don't need to worry about high competition when you're using Marmalade or really any SEO tool. If the competition's high, that means everybody else knows the demand is high. And as long as the searches and engagement are good, then it's up to you to beat that competition, because a lot of the times this competition here, they aren't using Marmalade, or they're not using eRank, or they're not using their brain, period. They may be not as smart of a seller as you are, right? So I believe in you and you can beat all these people, right? So anyway, moving on. Cloud slime, that was there here in the suggested tags here to click on, cloud slime. What else was? Slime kit and slime free shipping even. Normally, I really bash keywords that have free shipping in it, because you can filter out on the side for free shipping, and you can filter out for sales and stuff like that. So do not ever put free shipping or sale in your title or your tags. Use Etsy's functions for that, because that gives you an advantage in search in terms of filtration, and it gives you more room in your titles and your tags for actual keywords, not like descriptive keywords of the type of sale. It's just a bad idea. Do not do that. So moving on from there, you can see that all of these keywords are high engaged keywords, and even cloud slime, slime kit, and slime free shipping, very low competition. When you find a keyword in Marmalade with all three green, then you should definitely be using that if it is relevant to your audience and your product. That is, it's a somewhat rare find on Marmalade and eRank to find something with low competition that checks out in terms of searches and engagement, right? So this is an example of keywords that Etsy suggests to you that are very good, right? This is very good. This is awesome for us. If you're a slime seller, then use these. You probably already know about these, but you should use these, and you should also be using Marmalade. So let's move on from this. Let's choose another somewhat high demand niche here on Etsy. Let's use home decor, right? So I typed in home decor up here. I don't know why it went away. Quick side note, the popular right now keywords, I do not believe they are super popular right now. I believe that this is just what Etsy wants to sell more of. This is just what Etsy's trying to push hard. I don't really, sure, it might be rising a little bit, but it's not. What I'm saying is, do not jump on these keywords and do not freak out and start using these keywords, or start trying to sell bath bomb powder, or start trying to sell all these things, right? It's just, Etsy's little recommendations, right? It's not like it's breaking out virally or anything. It could be rising, but I believe it's just recommendations from Etsy. Anyway, moving on. I typed in home decor here. It's not there. I'll do it again, actually, just to show you guys. Home decor. Okay, so rustic home decor, modern home decor, bathroom decor, all of these things are pretty good in Marmalade. So home decor, wall decor, home sign. But then I want to show you something why this can be a kiss of death sometimes if you are not using Marmalade. If you are not using Marmalade, you could be picking any one of these keywords thinking, oh, hey, yeah, this is what Etsy's recommending. These must be good keywords. And oh, you know what? These shops down here are using these keywords as well. Oh, I need to use these keywords. That is not the case. If you are scoping and jacking keywords from other people's shops, only if that's your only strategy for SEO, then you're not gonna do very well. You're gonna be running in the dark, and you're gonna be all of your tests with your new listings with these keywords and stuff like that. It's bound to be a dud. It's more likely to be a dud rather than if you were to put the time in for researching and put the time in for using Marmalade to check these keywords. Right? There's 7.3 million sellers on Etsy. If you think that you're gonna jack keywords from other people's shops, only doing that, then you're wrong. You're not gonna do very well. So let's check this. So home decor, wall decor, home sign, home decor, farmhouse. This is right here. Home decor, farmhouse. So if you were to use this one, it's not really searched that much. Perhaps maybe it, like, if you were to use it as a long tail keyword, something along these lines, like farmhouse gift, home decor, then that could be a different story, right? It can be a much different story. Let's see if farmhouse gift is an actual thing. I didn't plan this out. It might be actually really bad. So I might make myself look bad, but this is how you do this research, right? If you think farmhouse is going to be good, because it probably is. Let's see just farmhouse on its own. Farmhouse on its own has to be good, right? People are all about the rustic stuff. Rustic home decor is a pretty good one. Okay, farmhouse gift is bad. Rustic gnome decor. No, just kidding. Rustic home decor. Okay, farmhouse is big. Not big, but it's good, right? It's searched often, and it's engaged with when it's searched, and it has a lot of competition. So combinations with farmhouse is what you want to be looking out for. See, rustic home decor is good. That's kind of the same as farmhouse, kind of the same niche. So if you were to make a title, then you would mess around with rustic home decor, farmhouse, farmhouse sign. Farmhouse sign might be good. Let's check that. Farmhouse sign. So what I'm showing you right now is that sometimes if you go in here and you find a tag here, home decor farmhouse, and it sucks, then it's not that farmhouse is bad, because we already know home decor is good, right? It's not that farmhouse is bad. It's just that exact phrase is not searched that often. That does not mean forget about farmhouse. It just means that you need to research it more with Marmalade or eRank if you don't use Marmalade yet, or if you already are using eRank. So this is how you make long tail keywords without trying to stuff it into Marmalade and thinking that customers are searching this exact long tail keyword, right? Because this one is a long tail keyword. 3 words is typically a long tail search phrase, keyword, etc., etc. 3 words or more is definitely a long tail, right? We all hear about long tail keywords and how it's very important to use, but if you're trying to make long tail keywords in Marmalade, then you're going to have trouble jamming it all into one search box. So, for example, getting back to this dud right here of home decor farmhouse, right? It's not a dud for Etsy when you click on this and then you see all these listings. Like, all of these listings are not specifically using home decor farmhouse. It just means that they're using some combination of that. So moving on from there, what you can do to fix this one, home decor farmhouse, would be farmhouse sign home decor, right? It's not going to fit into one tag of 20 characters, no, but it's still a long tail keyword. It's still a long tail search, right? So you would put farmhouse sign, home decor, comma, right? So that is how you would create a long tail keyword using Marmalade. And why it's important to use Marmalade, because if you're running in the dark over here with just these suggestions and looking at other people's shops and even maybe taking inspiration or copying other people's shops, you're not going to have a fun time. You're not going to do good. I'm sorry. Okay, moving on from there, let me show you an example where it really actually is a really bad idea to not be using an SEO tool. So men's bracelet is huge, but all of these suggestions in men's bracelet are terrible. Men's bracelet personalized, Men's bracelet custom, Men's bracelet silver, okay, we're getting there. Men's bracelet gold, oh, not good. Okay, so what would we do again? We're gonna move on from this. We're gonna do, let's check personalized bracelet, right? And then men's, you could add men's bracelet after it, or if you already have bracelet a lot of times in your title and you don't want to seem spammy, or you actually want to put your title to better use, then you would do personalized bracelet, men's jewelry. Okay, see, personalized bracelet is good. So right after that, you would do men's jewelry. And I know men's jewelry is big. So this is another example of how you would create long tail keywords with Marmalade without running in the dark with these things right here. Do not think this is the end all be all written in stone tablet, like awesome recommendations. Like I said a few seconds ago, these are, when you click these are a combination of those words, right? So it's not like these shops are using specifically these, and that's why they're ranking, or that's why Etsy is freaking out over it. But that's why Etsy is giving that to you. So that men's jewelry is big. So what you would do is go personalized bracelet, men's jewelry, comma, long tail keyword, boom, right there. Obviously, you'd split it up in your tags as personalized bracelet and men's jewelry. So again, let me say one more thing of why it's super important to be using Marmalade. Because when you use these tags that are high engaged with right here, Etsy knows better than Marmalade. Etsy knows better than eRank what keywords are high engagement, obviously, because they give you some recommendations, right? And they're not giving you exact tag. These are for shoppers, right? These are not for exact tags, but we can use them for reference for exact tags, yes, after some research with Marmalade. But Etsy knows more than us, Marmalade and eRank, what keywords and what search phrase combinations are most engaged with, right? So when you use these tags that you know have been engaged with after you research it in Marmalade, then Etsy also knows, hey, that's a high engaged keyword. A lot of people on our website buy these products when they use these tags. That gives you an advantage right there. Etsy sees that and goes, oh, this is a big deal, you know? So going on from there, when you create good listings that sell well with these high engaged keywords, Etsy sees that, you use the high engaged keywords, and Etsy sees, hey, they're selling on top of that. So this shop deserves to rank high, right? So in the description, there's a link for Marmalade. Yes, it's my affiliate link. I get a tiny, tiny little commission, and you can support my channel by getting Marmalade through that link. It's $19 a month. That's cheaper than $1 per day. And I know you are spending your money more on goofy stuff, more than $1 a day than using Marmalade, right? So it's very, very worth it. It's priceless. It sucks, yeah, that we have to use a software and pay extra on top of our Etsy fees and everything to get this research and data, but data's not free, you know? Data's the new gold in this world. And so data and attention, those are the new currencies, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider getting Marmalade through the link in my description and watch my next video. Peace.